After installing the Windows update KB5074109, my laptop started crashing immediately. And I started getting the death screen or the blue screen, but in my case, it was always black. And the system was restarting automatically. Even though the screen was black, the error was the same one you usually see on a blue screen. As you can see on my screen, I take a picture of the error. So you can see I have a driver failure and the failing file was VBoxMouse.sys. The crash happened every time I removed the USB mouse. This problem is not caused by the mouse itself, it's caused by VirtualBox Guest Additions, especially the VirtualBox Mouse driver. After this Windows update, the VBoxMouse driver is no longer compatible. When Windows detects a USB mouse event, the driver crashes the system, which results in a black screen and an automatic restart. The solution is very simple. You need just to find the VirtualBox Guest Additions and uninstall it. So let me show you how to uninstall it. You can go to Settings and then Apps and then Installed Apps. And here you can search for the Guest Additions. So I don't have it because I uninstalled it. You can do the same. I'm just going to show you how to uninstall. You can just go to the three dots here on the right side of any program and you can click on it and uninstall. When your Windows is going to reboot or restart, it's going to start the Windows recovery mode because of this driver failure. If you have a BitLocker, you might need it, or Windows recovery mode is going to ask you for the recovery key. And to get the recovery key, you need to go to your Microsoft account, and under settings, you'll find the recovery key for your BitLocker. That's the solution. If you still need the guest additions, you can go always to VirtualBox website and install them. And if you still have problem with compatibility, you can just install it without the mouse driver. That's it for today. See you in other videos.